Food is, honestly, one of the most powerful cultural expressions across the world. From simple street snacks to luxurious feasts, food tells a story. In this video, we explore the best dishes the world has to offer. Pizza, Italy. Originating in Naples, pizza is one of the most beloved foods worldwide. With its thin crust, rich tomato sauce, and bubbling mozzarella, it's simple yet irresistible. Each region in Italy brings its own unique spin. Sushi, Japan. Sushi is a delicate balance of rice, fresh seafood, and precision. From nigiri to maki rolls, sushi showcases Japanese craftsmanship. It's both a culinary art and a cultural ritual. Pad Thai, Thailand. Pad Thai blends sweet, salty, sour, and spicy flavors in one dish. Stir-fried rice noodles with tofu, shrimp, and crushed peanuts create the perfect harmony. It's a staple of Thai street food. Tacos, Mexico. Tacos are more than just a meal, they're a cultural symbol. Filled with meats, beans, veggies, and salsas, they're endlessly customizable. Whether from a food truck or fine dining spot, tacos always deliver flavor. Croissant, France. The French croissant is the ultimate breakfast pastry. Its flaky layers and buttery aroma are the result of perfect technique. Served with coffee, it's a taste of Parisian elegance. Biryani, India. Biryani is a spiced rice dish layered with meat or vegetables. Every region in India has its own version, from Hyderabadi to Lucknowi. It's a celebration of aroma, color, and flavor. Peking duck, China. Peking duck is a Chinese delicacy known for its crispy skin and tender meat. It's often served with pancakes, hoisin sauce, and scallions. This dish is a hallmark of imperial Chinese cuisine. Paella, Spain. Spain's famous rice dish, paella, originated in Valencia. It features saffron-infused rice, seafood, and meats cooked in a wide pan. It's a festive dish often shared with family and friends. Cheeseburger, USA. The cheeseburger is an American icon. A juicy beef patty, melted cheese, and fresh toppings all packed in a soft bun. It's both comfort food and a symbol of fast food innovation. Kimchi, South Korea. Kimchi is a fermented dish of cabbage and spices. It's eaten with nearly every Korean meal and is full of probiotics. It represents Korea's passion for bold, spicy flavors. Tagine, Morocco. Tagine is a slow-cooked stew made in a clay pot of the same name. Flavored with spices like cumin, cinnamon, and saffron, it's rich and aromatic. Lamb, apricots, and almonds are common ingredients. Ceviche, Peru. Ceviche is a fresh, zesty dish of raw fish cured in citrus juice. It's often mixed with onions, chilies, and corn. Peru's national dish is both refreshing and full of depth. Falafel, Middle East. Falafel are crispy chickpea balls, often served in pita bread. They're paired with tahini, salad, and pickles. This plant-based dish is hearty, healthy, and flavorful. Feijoada, Brazil. Feijoada is a black bean stew with various cuts of pork. It's a rich and satisfying dish, usually eaten with rice and orange slices. It's deeply rooted in Brazilian heritage. Ramen, Japan. Ramen is a bowl of wheat noodles served in rich broth with toppings like egg, pork, and seaweed. It's deeply satisfying and varies by region, a perfect balance of comfort and umami. Moussaka, Greece. Moussaka is a layered dish of eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce. Baked to perfection, it's creamy and hearty. It's a favorite in Greek family meals. Jollof rice, West Africa. Jollof rice is a tomato-based rice dish popular in Nigeria, Ghana, and Senegal. Often served with fried plantains and spicy meat, it's packed with flavor. It fuels debates over which country makes it best. Pho, Vietnam. Pho is a Vietnamese noodle soup with aromatic broth, herbs, and slices of meat. It's a comforting dish served at any time of day. It captures the soul of Vietnamese cuisine. Baklava, Turkey, Greece. Baklava is a sweet pastry made of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey syrup. Its flaky texture and sweet richness make it a beloved dessert. Each bite is a sticky, crunchy indulgence. Pierogi, Poland. Pierogi are dumplings stuffed with potatoes, cheese, or fruit. They're boiled, then pan-fried to golden perfection. A humble yet delicious comfort food. Curry, India, UK. Curry is a broad term for spiced gravies served with rice or bread. It has traveled globally, adapting to local tastes. From butter chicken to vindaloo, it's a global favorite. Dim sum, China. Dim sum consists of small dishes like dumplings, buns, and rolls served with tea. It's a tradition rooted in Cantonese culture. The variety offers something for every palate. Goulash, Hungary. Goulash is a stew made with beef, paprika, and vegetables. It's warming and flavorful, perfect for cold climates. a classic dish that defines Hungarian cuisine. From east to west, north to south, every country has its iconic dishes. Food is more than sustenance. It's history, identity, and joy. Exploring world cuisine is a delicious journey through culture.